In a recent statement, Minister of Finance Colm Imbert highlighted that approximately 65% of properties would be subject to a property tax ranging from $540 to $1,080 per year. This suggests that these properties have an estimated annual rental value between $18,000 to $36,000, equivalent to monthly rents ranging from $1,500 to $3,000. This proposed increase in property taxes could potentially impact individuals who are already struggling financially, particularly those who rely on renting. Their monthly rent may rise from $45, based on $540 annually, to $90, based on $1,080 annually. This regressive taxation system disproportionately affects the poorer population of Trinidad and Tobago. Back in 2009, the current Prime Minister, Rowley, argued against the property tax, claiming that it was an unfair burden on homeowners, including those who had no intention of selling or renting their properties. He emphasized that imposing taxes on homes that do not generate income could lead to resentment and provoke public discontent. Rowley further expressed that the property tax would undoubtedly cause hardship, as even $100 could be a substantial amount for many struggling individuals who are already finding it challenging to make ends meet. It is noteworthy to point out the apparent inconsistency in Rowley's stance. As the Prime Minister, he now supports the property tax, which contradicts his previous position. This change in perspective may be viewed as hypocritical, deceitful, and disingenuous by some observers. Moreover, the implementation of the property tax raises concerns about its fairness and impact on society. While Minister Imbert's statement indicates that the tax rates are based on the estimated rental value of properties, it fails to address the underlying issues of wealth disparity and the burden it places on the less affluent. The assertion that properties with rental values falling within the specified range should be subject to the same tax rate disregards the vast differences in economic circumstances across the country. Such a flat tax approach can be seen as regressive, as it places a proportionately higher burden on individuals with lower incomes compared to those with higher incomes. The Prime Minister's earlier opposition to the property tax was based on the recognition that certain homeowners, through no fault of their own, may have experienced substantial increases in the value of their properties over the years. For them, being liable for a property tax without any intention of selling or renting their homes seems unfair and unjust. Furthermore, Rowley's concerns about the impact of the property tax on individuals struggling to make ends meet highlight the potential hardships that may arise from its implementation. While $100 might not seem like a significant amount to some, for those already facing financial difficulties, it could make a substantial difference in their daily lives. The shift in the Prime Minister's position on property tax raises questions about his consistency and integrity. It is essential for government leaders to maintain transparency and credibility by demonstrating a consistent stance on matters that directly affect the citizens they serve. The apparent discrepancy between his past and present views could be perceived as hypocritical and erode public trust in his leadership. In conclusion, the proposed property tax and its implications on the rental market and homeowners in Trinidad and Tobago warrant careful consideration. It is crucial for policymakers to address the concerns surrounding the regressive nature of the tax and its potential impact on vulnerable individuals. Additionally, maintaining consistency and transparency in decision-making processes is essential to foster public trust and confidence in government actions.